Hey, today we're at the York County Agricultural and Industrial Museum, which is part of the York County History Center.
And we're going to be looking at the Conestoga Wagon.
These Conestoga wagons, which hauled goods from Pennsylvania cities, are known for their distinctive curved floors and for their canvas covers, which arched over the wagon itself.
The Conestoga River, also known as the Conestoga Creek, is a tributary to the Susquehanna River and runs right through Lancaster County. The word Conestoga derives from the Iroquois language. Before European settlers came to the region, the Conestoga, also known as the Susquehanna or Susquehannock, inhabited the area.
These handcrafted wagons were designed for carrying extremely heavy loads over very rough roads.
The floor of the Conestoga wagon was curved in order to prevent the goods inside from shifting around too much.
The white canvas that covered the Conestoga wagon was soaked in linseed oil to make it waterproof and then was stretched taut over top of hoops in order to keep the goods that were being carried inside the wagon dry.
Each Conestoga wagon was pulled by 4 to 6 horses, typically horses that were bred in the region. These horses could cover anywhere from 12 to 14 miles a day.
Being the driver of the Conestoga wagon wasn't much fun though. You didn't get to ride inside of it. Typically the driver walked alongside the horses while the wagon was pulled. The peak years of use for the Conestoga wagon were the 1820s to 1840s, and they were mainly used on roads here in Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia to haul goods back and forth. By the mid-19th century, with the expansion of the railroad lines, Conestoga wagons basically became obsolete.
There's a popular misconception that Conestoga wagons were used in migration west, so to Oregon, California, places like that. But really, these Conestoga wagons were much too large and impractical. Instead, prairie schooners were used, which were much smaller. They could travel more efficiently and cover a greater amount of distance in a shorter period of time.